watching Starring Entertainment.
Emily Desserts, ayun. Of course, through Miss Lynn Inductivo, maraming salamat. Siyempre, ayun nga po, sa aking puso, actually, to give you just a short trivia, this happened, ito pong kakagaling lang po nila ng US actually. May jet lag pero ilaban daw. Ganyan. So, di ba, finally, it's happening here in the Philippines sa aking puso. No? Tama po, Sir D. Sir Miss JZ.
Nag-research ka, tama.
Yeah.
Yes.
Marami na siyang na-tour abroad bago dito
We
sa
started
Pilipinas.
this in 2023, yung concept, yung idea ng sa aking puso, which ang plano talaga namin, we were going to bring it on tour sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. We started it in Los Angeles actually, the first show. And then we did Australia the following year. 3 cities naman, we did Perth, Sydney, and Melbourne. And then we did, we went back, mostly sa North America, we went to Seattle, and then we went to Calgary. Tapos last March, saan ba tayo? Michigan, and then we went to, ano ba itong lugar na to? San Leandro in the Bay Area. And then ngayon kakarating lang namin, we did 2 cities naman, Sacramento, tsaka Fresno, Clovis, di ba? Yeah. And then may side trip na show din si Jessa naman sa Michigan, which was very, Virginia pala, DMV, sa DMV, Washington DC, Maryland, at saka, what do you call this, Virginia. Yeah. Yun, medyo hindi kami masyadong busy.
I love it, the side trip. And it's finally coming here on September 13 sa aking puso sa New Frontier Theater. Ayan.
Yeah. And we never had the, sa aking puso here in Manila. Kasi nga ito supposed to be for tour, but since it's our 25th wedding anniversary this year, we decided to hold sa aking puso dito sa Manila leg. Because yung story ng sa aking puso is really about our love story, our journey. So, more or less yun yung pinaka-underlying theme ng sa aking puso, what it's all about. Of course, we have a song, yung sa aking puso, which became a single. And ang idea kasi namin, napansin namin in all our shows abroad, ang hinahanap lagi ng Pinoy is OPM, Tagalog songs, more than the covers. So, yung concept was, ano ba ang nasa puso ng bawat Pinoy? Kaya sa aking puso, ito yung we felt like these are the songs that are part of the lives or the soundtracks of Pinoy. Hindi lang OPM, pero in general. Doon umiikot yung kabuuan ng aming show, yung concert.
Alright, and with that, before we go deeper to the heart of Sa Aking Puso, ayan, syempre we give the floor to our media friends for some questions. First, Sir DA and Miss JZ, who would like to go first. Miss MJ.
Congratulations and happy anniversary.
Thank you, MJ.
Wow. And of course, this has been a successful show abroad. So how will you alter it para syempre sa mga true blue, ng mga nakatira dito sa inyong hometown, dito sa Pilipinas?
Ikaw muna sa home ba?
Oo, pero kasi mas ma-explain ni Ding, no? Kasi siya, concept niya to eh. And he's also the director. So, ikaw
The
mag-explain.
creative.
The creative, yeah.
Yes.
Sa aking puso.
Akala ko may sasabihin.
Hindi.
Ako na.
Pero syempre yung sa aking puso dito sa Manila, parang mas magagawa namin yung mga gusto namin gawin for this show. Kasi syempre pag sa abroad, mas limited, di ba?
Yeah, we know naman na there are
May mga
cost
restrictions.
restrictions, but you're doing the show abroad. But since it's our 20th anniversary, gusto namin mas bongga.
Yeah.
So this
Yes.
show here in Manila will be mas bongga. To put it simply, no. Syempre, we will have more lighting effects and then more songs, and we have special guests in our show na usually sa US, we have the local talents, di ba? And they're fine, but this one naman, we have artists who are also dear to us or close to us that will be attending, they'll be performing with us. So yun yung maraming mga special na magaganap sa September 13. In fact, meron nga kaming mga ibang producers who are you know, they've seen the show, no? But they know that this is going to be an extra special concert. They're flying back. They're flying in to Manila to
Yung producers
even-
namin sa US,
No.
hindi sila.
Yeah. Kaya medyo exciting.
And because this is also telling everybody your love story through the show, what about your love do you want to highlight for the audience?
Well, sa akin, it's yung journey namin. Because our journey was not easy. We actually started really, there was a challenge, a bit of a challenge. A lot of people, maybe si Rodel,
Alam na.
natatandaan pa niya yun. No, sorry, hindi ko binubuk yung edad ng mga Rodel. Pero, it was very controversial when we started out. And there were a lot of people that were naysayers, di ba? Na parang, hindi magtatagal yan or di sila bagay. You know, our age gap is pretty big. We're almost 11 years apart. So,
Halata, di ba?
even sa career
Pressure
namin.
na ako
So maraming mga things na, you know, kumbaga, mga balakid, supposedly. Pero we weathered the storm and we stood by our love. And 25 years after, we're still together. So it's worth celebrating and, you know, ipagsigawan sa mundo na
Mali kayo.
hindi lang sa
Pero parang gano'n na nga.
Parang
Di ba? Parang gano'n na nga. Kasi yung 25 years lalo na sa mundo ng ginagalawan natin, ako, mahirap yan. Sa totoo
No, it
lang.
wasn't easy. It was never meant to be easy, but you know, we're very grateful, and of course, thanks be to God because He's not in the center. I don't think kami maglalast. Tsaka siguro rin yung age gap nakatulong. A lot of people might say na, oh, laki ng gap, pero sa amin it worked, di ba? So that was
Mas mature daw kasi yung babae.
maybe, yeah. Because I tell her na alam mo siguro kung hindi mas bata-bata tayo or mas bata, baka hindi tayo nag-workout or hindi tayo natuluyan. Pero
Pero siguro sa relationship namin ni Dingdong, sobrang bata ako nung nagpakasal kami, 22? Oh, yung gagawin. Huwag yung gagayahin yun.
no, it was
So,
just yung timing.
di
yun.
ba?
It's
Oo.
not, hindi lahat ganun ang storya eh. Iba-iba naman.
At saka
talaga.
iba naman yung iba naman yung pinagdaanan ng buhay ko. Kaya nung time na yon, ready na talaga ako magpakasal. Tsaka dahil syempre nahanap ko na yung the one, na alam ko na confident ako na na ikaw yung pinadala ng Diyos para sa akin. Kaya na meron ako
Kaya
ng
game
checklist.
na.
Oo, game na.
Dito sa show, MJ, you know, it's interesting because what we're sharing with you, it will be highlighted throughout the show. Mga interesting moments in our 25 years. No? Mga people na hindi siguro hindi sila aware, masishare namin through music at saka sa stage. No? Basta ganun, I wanted this show kasi to be very personal and family-oriented, ika nga. Because that's what we are, me and Jessa, and of course Jayla, we're a family. In fact, our show is on a Sunday. It's a family day. Di ba? Normally shows are Saturday,
Friday.
or Friday. But kami, we wanted it on Sunday.
Pero
And-
pwede dalhin yung mga anak
Oh,
nila.
we really want
family
na,
talaga.
tsaka pinaghandaan yung repertoire namin na para sa lahat. Kumbaga, gusto namin mag-enjoy yung tao, tsaka ma-inspire, ma-uplift. Lahat na.